Alright, hi guys. Today we're going to play some Blox Fruits. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go over my character and my stuff. And I will show you my username so that if you wanna trade with me, trade with me, because I have some good fruits. If you guys wanna trade with me. You can use my username to follow me. FFO standing for Fulton Family Entertainment, which is a YouTuber. And then there's my username on the bottom. You can take a picture and stuff like that so that you can follow me. My name is we're going to find some chests. Go for it. Make your dreams happen. And I'm actually saying this. It's not because I'm saying it, just for fun. No, I'm being if you want to be a YouTuber or, be an artist or something, you just work hard and do your best. Like some guy over here, like, see, like him, and I'm not sure if he's there, or if he's even selling anything. Looks like he's not here. Cause he was definitely over here somewhere. But I guess we're gonna server hop for more chests and to see if he's here. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're gonna find some more chests. So that we can got gravity. Yo, everybody, everybody wants to trade me. Buddha? Light. I don't know, guys. Is this a W? I also have the gravity. What do you got, Zoe? Oh, me? Sorry. This guy. I'll give him Phoenix. Do you want Phoenix? Probably not. You guys can say it's an L, but this guy needs a food. Yo. No? Man, he was dumb. Make up 2 things. Oh, right. I'm looking for stuff. I'm sorry, I lost track. But yeah, we're looking for stuff. things, but who's gonna look? Chest in here, knee, and chest. Oh, huh. Dang, bruh. What would you kill me for? Oh, wait. This is the, that's why you fight the final boss, I think? Oh, here. But I think I'm gonna have to end it right now because I'm gonna go to bed soon. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Oh, and also get me a